Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a slime smoothie, and I'm here with... It's okay. I'm here with my cousin Elijah. He's going to be handing me the slimes, and I got my bowl. And I'm sorry if you guys can't see. I'm actually gonna go see if I can get like a little bowl. Not a little one, but enough for all these slimes I have down here. And I'll be back. My cousin here will keep you company. He will be talking to you and everything. So I'll be back. Talk to them. You can sit in my chair.
Hey guys, welcome back to I'm Elijah, and I will be looking after you with you guys. And I will be showing you this. I know you guys can't see it. It's this ice cream. See, I know you guys can't see it. Got it. I will be showing you guys this. I'm showing them this.
Okay, watch out, bud. Okay, I am back, and now we got a little small bowl so you can see. So, first slime, please. First slime we got is this really big jumbo one. It's a really big jumbo one. And I'm just gonna throw my containers down here. And if I throw them down there, can you put the lid on them? Okay, this one is called Teal Death. It's not really clicky anymore, but it has like these little diamonds in it. It just does this. Watch. You put it on, you just twist it, okay? And you can put them in a separate pile. Look, cousin helping. So, Teal Death, everybody. First slime into the bowl. Okay, when I put my hand down, give me another slime, okay? It doesn't matter. Next, I just got this plain white slime. This was the very first slime I've made. Oh, sorry. This is the first slime I've made since I got my gallon of glue, and I'm already almost out, so I gotta get some more.
Separate pile. I put it in a separate pile.
And this is just a plain white slime. Okay. I know. You guys failed. I lost, you guys. Next is this. That's not the lid or the container. Next we have, okay, so it goes like this. And then the lid. Remember, you just put it on, twist, okay? It's just like that with all the other ones. Next is just like really gold, green, glittery slime. Still kind of good. This one I just made, not this one in my hand, but I just made one a few minutes ago. If you can see the red and pink on me. I don't want to mix that one, but you know what? I'm going to anyway, so I can just make a new one. And if you guys noticed, I got my hair straightened here. And if you stretch it too much, it breaks. It actually stretches for a while. And my giveaway is already over. Only one person did, and they were all the way in Hawaii. So I can't ship all the way. I can't ship across the borders. Well, I can, but I can't ship across seas. So you gotta pay attention to my hand, bud. Okay, this one's kind of like the last one, but instead of like being a green, instead of being it's a green, it's like a teal green kind of. Okay. Yep, just like that. Very satisfying. This one has gold, or not gold, silver glitter. Can I get it? And gold one.
Apparently no.
Huh?
Apparently no.
You don't, or you do? Huh?
I do.
Did you get it? Here, let's save this one for last, okay? Next is this green one. It has no glitter. It's just a plain green slime here. That one cannot get off the finger. This one's just a plain green one. As you can see, not really stretchy. Ooh, I should close my contacts so I can lens. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, plain green one. So far, our slime looks so cool. No, I didn't want to take it out yet. I'm not mixing it in yet. I just want to. Okay. Get that off my phone. No, I want to say that one for last, remember? Okay, guys, we are almost done. This one's just a big old green one. Teal green, kind of. And if you guys ever watched Life with Brothers, some of these slimes I got from them. So, some of them are like hard, kind of.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Here, let me put you down. Okay. See if you can see that slime. Beautifulness of slime. Oh no! I lost you guys. There you go. This one's also a teal death one. It was just like the other one, the first one, but the other one didn't. This one didn't fit in that container. So this is the same. It has black glitter and it is teal, and I call it teal death. And of course, it has these little tiny sparkles in it. So, like literally everywhere. If you can see those bumps. And there's different colors in it too. Oh my gosh, guys, this is gonna be so cool. Hey. This one's not a teal death. This one's very glossy and very cushy. This one I made just a few minutes ago, actually.
Can I poke it?
Oh no. Guys, I love this slime still. Once again, I don't want to mix this one, but you know, you can always make more. So before I put it in, I'm gonna let my little cousin here poke it. Grab it. Grab it. Grab it. Nope, you're supposed to grab it. Grab it. You have to grab it. Don't let go. Let go. Teaching little cousin how to play with slime. Look, you poke. Grab it. Like that, okay? And final one. Hey. The one I've been waiting to show you guys. This is the one I don't want to mix. It's so pretty. Remember, you gotta put the lid on. This is one that I just made a couple of minutes ago. Guys, I don't even think I'm going to mix this one. Elijah, what do you think? Should I mix this one or no?
Yeah.
But feel how smooth it is. See how pretty it is?
Yeah.
Feel it. Do you think I should mix it?
Yeah.
I don't want to though.
I want you to.
Okay guys, I made my decision if I'm mixing it or not. And I'm not going to mix it. Okay? Okay. Let me see one of those containers. Let me see that orange one with the orange lid.
What are you putting it up?
Just this one. All the other ones are in that one. In that, remember? Okay, guys, for the best part, mixing it! Whoa, look at that.
It's so big.
It's white and dark green. Okay.
And green?
So hard, though. Oh, no! Oh, my gosh, guys. This is so big.
I got the one.
Holy moly. This is so big. I don't think I've ever made a slime this big in my life. I want to know if I can add some content on my activator to make it hard.
Take
No.
it, guys. Yeah. Take it, guys. Take it, you. Take it, you.
It's a little bit it.
Take it, you. Take it, you. Take it, you.
Guys, I'm already loving this slime. Like, you have no idea how much I already love this slime. Oh my gosh. You are not... I'm saying this in the game, okay? Oh no! What are you doing in my video? This is my dressing room where I do my videos. Oh, do I love playing with my little cousin? See? See that gold? That's one of the things I was talking about with my slimes. Did you take care of that guy? Okay. Guys, this is so cool.
Can I do that?
No.
Why?
After it's all mixed in, okay? Okay, guys, I think this is going to take a while. Seriously. Guys, this is amazing. Yeah, let's see. Oh! Okay, I'm going to mix a little bit at a time because this is going to be so hard to mix if I mix it all at once. So, guys, hope you enjoyed my video. I will return when the slime is complete. Leave all. Watch it come down. Here it comes. Ah! That was so cool, guys. Okay, so as you can see, I'm mixing a little bit at a time. Give this. I'll just cook this one more time.
Can you give me some?
Yeah, as you can see, I did not want to mix this one. Because as hard as this slime is, not this one, but this one to mix up.
Can you give me a piece?
Oh no. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye. Say bye. Now, be happy. Bye. Now.
Bye.
Maybe.